Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect PostgreSQL to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to our N8N dashboard. Then from here, you want to go ahead and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, make sure you're in the Overview tab and click on Create Workflow. From here, a new workflow is going to appear. We can go ahead and give this a new name. I'm just going to call this PostgreSQL, and then from here we need to go ahead and add a first step. This is where we can connect PostgreSQL to N8N. So click on the plus icon. From here, a little pop-up will appear where it says search nodes. So from here, type in PostgreSQL. Now make sure to spell it correctly, not like myself. Okay, so from here we want to click on that Postgre, and now from here we can choose an action or a trigger. So I'm going to choose this trigger here that's called on new Postgres event. From here, a little pop-up will appear. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on credential to connect with. So select that and then click on create new credential. From here, we need to fill in your PostgreSQL database details. So we need to put in the host, your port, your database, your user, your password, your SSL. So set SSL to true if your server requires a SSL, and then from here just go ahead and click save, and what that's going to do, that's going to connect your PostgreSQL to N8N.